Hi everyone, this will be an unboxing and a long-term review that I've been testing this VAVA hub for the past 3 weeks. It comes with a manual flyer with the simple compatibility information indicating the maximum resolutions of the HDMI output and some troubleshooting. One important piece of information, the USB-A ports are in fact USB 3.0 and not 3.1 as appears in the sticker. In the manual, it also says that the ports are only 3.0. Later in the video I'll show the system report of the USB-A ports to prove it. The length of the hub is less than 10 centimeters. It can be fitted in any way to the MacBook USB ports, and it has a LED on both sides that allows you to confirm that it is connected, even if it's filled upside down. It may be great if you are using a protective button cover. The ports looks quite premium and the dock operating temperature fluctuates between 40 and 64 degrees Celsius. After connecting the hub to the MacBook, it takes about 10 seconds to recognize all devices. In the system report, we can verify that the controller of the USB-A ports is 3.0. I also remind you that MacBooks with the M1 chip will only be able to connect to a maximum of one monitor, either with the HDMI or Thunderbolt port. On the official VAVA page, it indicates that it's possible to reach a resolution up to 5K at 60 Hz, however only with Thunderbolt 3 as specifically in the manual. For HDMI, we'll have a limit of 4K at 60 Hz. Only after the purchase I noticed that the MacBook Pro mid 2017 that I will use will have some limitations to reach the maximum resolution supported by the HDMI 2.0 port due to the Intel Iris Plus graphics 640 reaching a maximum resolution of 4K at 30 Hz. Using the 2K resolution at 60 Hz will work as smoothly as we expected, and with this external monitor gives me the option to select the resolution that I want if I don't want to use the maximum. However, the same didn't happen with my LG NanoCell TV, which didn't allow me to lower the resolution, but I believe that is a Mac OS problem, not the hub. Although my TV supports 4K at 120 Hz, I could only get 4K at 30 Hz during the GPU limitations. However, on Windows 10 I managed to change the resolution to 1080p at 120 Hz and with HDR. In general, the hub is very practical, as can be connected directly to the notebook, even during transportation, unlike other hubs that sometimes hangs from the USB-C port. Only as a disadvantage, it only can be used on MacBooks, but for only $24 on AliExpress, it will be one of the smallest, cheapest, and with 4K at 60 Hz resolution that we can find in the market. If this video helped you to make a decision, please use the like button and subscribe to see more content like this.